Here is how to troubleshoot the missing Instagram Live option on your device. So first of all, while you need 1,000 followers to go live, a bug might also be the reason. So I'll show you how to identify and fix these issues. First of all, you need to open your Instagram application and check for any account violations that might restrict your access to your live feature. So go to your account settings to see if there are any feature restrictions which could limit your ability to use features like going live. If there are no violations, the issue might be due to a recent Instagram bug. Update the Instagram application to its latest version through your App Store or Play Store. For that, you need to search for Instagram application first. And if you see an update button instead of open, go ahead and tap on that in order to update it to its latest version. And after updating, check if the live option appears when you tap the plus icon. If not, you can tap on the gear icon or go to your profile picture and then access your settings and privacy and search for live or live settings and there set your preferences. Remember that Instagram now requires at least 1,000 followers to go live. So if you meet this requirement and have updated the app, the issue was likely a bug. So double check for violations and ensure that your app is updated. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.